Hello everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2021 Ram ProMaster Sherry conversion van, 9-passenger platform on the 2500 chassis. Has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, black 16-inch alloy wheels. All the moldings and trims, running board, mirrors, handles have all been painted to match, so it's black on black, privacy glass all around. Got nice Sherry badging on the rear, brown back. You have your rear backup sensors. Does have the tow package with the class 4 hitch, 4 and 6 pin wiring harnesses. Up top you have your rear backup camera. Open up the doors here. So this does have plenty of room for storage. Has power folding sofa, so you can hit a button, slide it forwards and back, also lay it down flat into a bed. 12-volt outlet, kicker speakers, clothing hooks you have on both sides. Nice view from the rear here. Walk around and open up the side. Beautiful tobacco interior. 4 captain's chairs. They swivel, slide forwards and back, recline. Cup holder. You have track lighting, which I probably should have turned on. 26-inch Vizio Smart TV, LG Blu-Ray player, your rear HVAC system controls. You also have some more HDMI outlets, charging ports, and a wall outlet. Privacy shades all around. Every seat has charging station, lighted cup holder. Have that on both sides. And in the rear, you also have a storage cabinet up here. And take a look here. Sitting in the rear bench seat, here's the view. Plenty of space. 6'3" interior height, so you can stand up. Most of you can stand up and walk right through here. Up front, have a touchscreen Uconnect radio. It does have navigation, live rear view cam that you can flip off and it goes to a regular mirror. Cup holders over here, storage bins, more cup holders, USB port as well. You have another one up here for your passenger, 12-volt outlet, more auxiliary and USB ports down here for the driver. Steering wheel has all your controls for your radio and Bluetooth hands-free phone calls. Cruise control, power mirrors, windows and locks, heated seats. Again, we're looking at stock number 30390T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Or look us up online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks.